Hey, hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope so you guys having a good day and having fun in your life. So, welcome to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to earn money online through an app which name is cashnow. So, I will tell you how to earn money using cashnow app on your phone. So watch complete video till the end and don't skip any part of the video as it's very important video for the making money online. So guys, I will tell you the complete process of making money online. So stay in the video and don't skip any part. So if you are Android user, you will just simply first go to Play Store. You will search for Play Store, and here you will search cash now. As you can see, it's already suggested below, so I will press on the app and we will search. Here is our app called as cash now. So I will just simply install the app and wait for the installation process, and after the installation I will tell you complete process of how to earn through this app and what is the procedure by now. So I will show you some screenshots of this app. I think we have selected the wrong app. I will take to you the original app. Here is our app. I think so. Yeah, this is one the app, and I will install this app. The previous one was a loan app, and so we are not interested in taking loan. So this is the original app cash now. So we will wait for the installation process, and I will take to you the app dashboard and will tell you what is the procedure of making money online. So I request you all to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for future videos, and don't skip any part of the video. So if you are iPhone user, you will simply go to the app store, and there you will find this app, and our app is installed, and I have pressed on the open button, and it's opening. As you can see the interface cash now. So it's starting the app, and we will wait a bit for the opening, and here is the interface. You can see you can shop through this app. Here you can see it's all kind of currency of different countries, and through this you can buy tokens and also earn money and shop online. Here is our cart. You can see it's 100 real, United Arab Emirates real. So below this is Saudi real, 500, and here you can create an account. I will tell you about the account information. Here they will ask for first name, last name, username, email, password, and then register. This is the simple process of registering this app. So you can register yourself on this app. Here is their hotline, +975638444309. So here is the interface. Here you can see in the login details. So it's very interesting app. You can buy online currency, so make money. And so this was the video for today. I hope so you guys have liked my video. I request you all to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for future videos. So stay connected to my channel and do support our channel for the latest making money online videos. Till then, goodbye.